आपके मुताबिक एक या दो ऐसी क्या क्वालिटीज हैं उनके बिहेवियर में
Yeah.
जो उन्हें रिच बनाती है?
No, absolutely. I think since I interact with many of them in the past and today also, I think इंडिया में जो एक entrepreneurship का जो एक बड़ा स्किल है, दैट जुनून है लोगों में टू बी सक्सेसफुल entrepreneurs is very very strong in India, and that I think is multifaceted across sectors and across categories में. When we meet people, people are innovating, people have got that ability कि मैं हमको करना है, इंडिया के लिए काम करना है, हमको तरक्की करना है, हमको इंस्टीट्यूशन बिल्ड करना है, हमको गिव बैक करना है टू द सोसाइटी इन सम वे द अदर. I think that what has made the SME businesses very very large in India. And come what may, whichever way the economy moves, we find the SME and the small, entrepreneurs वो लगे हुए हैं अपने बिजनेस को, चाहे वो इनोवेट कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो हमारे उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स को बिजनेस में लेके आता है, चाहे उनको प्रोफेशनल सेटअप करके करना चाहते हैं. I think that's something as a culture shift which has happened in the last 30 years. And transparency is very high. They have brought in transparency in their business because they know that if they aren't transparent and they don't have the trust of the end user or the ecosystem का trust नहीं है, they cannot succeed in business. They can't build a legacy in their business. I think that the other part what Vivek it is coming out is they want to build a legacy. They want their businesses to become big. They want their the family members and the people who are there to feel proud, and the continuity factor actually should remain for ages. So that's probably a big thing which I am understanding. And when it comes to the HNI comes basically is a byproduct of the a promoter becomes an HNI or a professional becomes an HNI. I think the HNI is also today's HNI wants legacy and their family wealth to be properly conserved, and they should grow properly. That's what is in their mind.
Are they more patient?
They are becoming more and more patient.
इसीलिए शायद कंपाउंडिंग से वेल्थ
बनाते हैं हम लोग. So power of compounding and patience are correlated. And they will take risk. Of course, once you become HNI, ultra HNI, you do take risk. There is a risk capital always there. But I think 75% to 80% of the wealth they want to, stay for long term.
Preserve
and long term.